Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. Today it's just going to be an introduction of one of my newest multimeters, and this is going to be the prelude to several other videos, including this multimeter that I'm going to compare it with several other multimeters of its class. This is the BK Precision Deluxe Dual Display 51,000 count digital multimeter. This multimeter model number is 2890A, A as an apple. This multimeter has been discontinued since February 18th, 2010. The retail price from BK Precision was $319 during that time with a 3-year warranty. Again, I tell you, this meter has been discontinued. This is a very rare multimeter, it's hard to find. It just so happened that I found one. I purchased this off eBay. It was purchased from a military surplus store. It has a calibration sticker on it. It was used, but it's very well kept. It's in pristine condition. Pristine condition. I mean, it's very nice. And I've been looking for a meter like this for a long time. Now, the same exact meter, Hyoki has one also. I don't know the original maker of this multimeter. I don't know. But if one of you do, would you please let me know? Leave your comment. Leave it in a comment. I would like to know who's the original maker of this multimeter. I want to say someone like maybe Appa, or one of those. I'm not sure. But if anyone knows who is the original manufacturer of this multimeter, if BK Precision didn't make it, just leave it in the comment. Let me know. But I'm gonna read out some of the specs on this multimeter, and during the next video that I'm gonna do with this multimeter coming up, when I put it in comparison with some multimeters, we are going more in depth of talking about the specs. I mean, when I tell you this meter is packed, I mean, it's gonna say some things and do some things that, I mean, I'm telling you, it's very nice. Well, anyway, it says the 2890A is a dual display 51,000 count DMM. And I'm reading from here, okay? That's why, so they say the 2890A is a dual display 51,000 count DMM with exceptional accuracy and functionality. It offers superb performance with many features that are useful for troubleshooting the electronics and electrical circuits, or to test and evaluate circuits in the field service application. And some of the features are true RMS, AC voltage, and AC amps, AC/DC true RMS. It has a five-digit LCD for both the primary and secondary displays, 21-segment analog bar graph, automatic polarity indicator, 0.025% basic DC voltage accuracy, resistance measurement up to 500 milliohms, conductance measurements up to 50 nanoseconds with 0.01 nanoseconds resolution, capacitance measurements, have frequency with AC voltage measurement, data hold, decibel measurements, rail mode, 1 millisecond peak hold for glitch capture, backlit LCD, and frequency counter up to 28 megahertz, square wave output with 28 frequency ranges, and an adjustable duty cycle. Conforms to IEC-1010-1, 600 volt Cat 4, and 1000 volt Cat 3, and is CE approved. Now, again, this is a very, very nice multimeter, and the test leads itself are very nice. This is the calibration sticker, like I told you, to come from the United States military. This is the calibration sticker that they have. The last time that it was calibrated was April 26, 2000. Well, no, it was calibrated on that date, and the next time that it should have been calibrated was April the 15th, 2013. So I just recently got it. So, I mean, so far it's working fine, but that was the last time that it was calibrated, and it's from the United States military. Now, This meter has a lot of features. It had the test leads are really nice. I mean, high quality test leads. BK precision. They have the little thread right here. I guess if you want to thread the alligator clips on them. They're really flexible. It doesn't feel like that. It feels like silicone. It doesn't feel like that hard PVC. It won't hold the memory. Really flexible. The test leads itself are very have some weight to it. Very heavy. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. Now the display here is really the digits nice size. I don't have any complaints with it whatsoever. They have a setup button, a shift setup button here. They have a whole rail range button, dual display, and it hertz. And it's the backlight. I'll show you that in a minute. It also have, you could have, this meter also has a rechargeable if you decide to charge the batteries. You have to put a rechargeable 9-volt battery in it. And I don't have the battery charger that goes with this, but there's an option, there's an alternative. It says that you can, I guess, get your test leads or add some more leads to it and plug it into a DC power supply. 24 volts, at 24 volts and under, I'll have it on the next video, and I think it's under something like 4 amps. And have it in this mode right here, off, and where it says charge, and this it'll turn on and show you that the battery is being charged. Now, it's true RMS, and it also have a square wave output. We'll get into that later also. It has a temperature, it has volts AC, and volts DC, millivolts, nanoseconds, ohms, continuity, hertz, diodes, temperature, capacitance, microamps, and DC, and it have milliamps, and like I said already, they have a square wave on here also. Real nice multimeter. The case right here is very nice. The leads itself, it fits right in here perfectly, no problem. And I like the stand it have on it. Also have a port, like if you want to connect it to your PC, which I do not have that connector. And I don't need it. If I had it, I'll get it. But if I see it, I'll get it. But I don't have it, the software. But this is a very nice meter. Like I said, I just want to use this time to be an introduction for an upcoming video. Then I'm going to use this multimeter to go up against another multimeter of its class. It's not another BK Precision. Maybe you guys can guess. I'm going to leave it up to you guys to guess which ones. In fact, it's going to be 2 multimeters that came out around the same time this came out, and they were in comparison with each other. And you can kind of, I want to see your imagination. Some of you old heads who've been out in the field a long time and know about BK Precision and what multimeters of the past, vintage multimeters like this. You can leave it in a comment which multimeter that you think I'm talking about. I'm going to do 2 that compares with this multimeter was manufactured in comparison to. But anyway, let me just show you how the backlight look. And let me see. Let me just turn all this off. This is the backlight. It gives you that blue backlight, and it's a very clear blue backlight. Back in the days, this was the color they used. They didn't have white LEDs. They wasn't using white LEDs. This was the status quo back then. It's real clear. The digits are a nice size. The screen is a nice size. And it's a real nice multimeter. Very nice multimeter. So I'm going to leave you with that. I just wanted you guys to see it. So, and stay tuned for the next video coming up. I'm sure you're going to like it. This is a very rare multimeter, and I don't know if you'll ever see another one like this on YouTube. They are very rare, and I just so happen to get my hand on one. So let me turn the lights back on, and let me. All right. So stay tuned for the next video. And I'm looking forward to it. I know you guys are too. So if you haven't joined the channel, and you want to subscribe, I'm asking you to subscribe to it in support of the channel. And everything I'm asking you is for free. I'm not asking for your money. I'm just asking you to support the trade. I'm an electrician, and I love being an electrician. I love talking tools. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and or leave a comment. Well, until next time, guys, you guys take care and peace out.